Follow these tips to go zero waste. Welcome to our Healthy Lifestyle channel. Here you will find different videos offering fun facts, tips and suggestions how to live a healthier and a happier life using natural methods and remedies. Going zero waste may seem like a challenging task, especially if you have never before attempted such eco-friendly endeavors. However, it is one that you can achieve, just like many other enthusiasts. Here are some of the proven tips to help you get started. Use a handkerchief instead of disposable wipes. Carrying a handkerchief is one of the first things you can do to remove the need to use wipes. There is just so much that it does for you, all the while requiring just a regular wash. For example, you can easily dry your hands when using a public restroom. You can also use it when you have got the sniffles, and not waste an entire packet of tissues in an hour. Use cloths for drying dishes. Many people just reach for the paper roll when they are done dishwashing, in an attempt to remove the moisture from the dishes before storing them away. However, paper towels don't do the job. They mostly spread the water, rather than absorb it. That is why you should switch to woven cotton cloths or the eco-friendly bamboo cotton cleaning cloth. They are like sponges for moisture, and you can do so much with them: dusting, wiping, and even wrapping your food. They have so many more uses than paper towels. Use glass or stainless steel food containers. It is easy to go with single-use boxes when you want to store food. You just eat it and toss the waste in the trash. However, this contributes to the big problem of plastic pollution, which is not something to take lightly. Glass and stainless steel containers are much more durable and easier to clean, which should be enough reasons for you to consider them. Ditch the plastic bottles. One of the most essential steps to take for a zero-waste lifestyle is to forget about using plastic water bottles. These make for the most prevalent items in landfills. They have a low recycled rate, but at the same time, they are so easy to replace. Glass and stainless options make for a much better container for your water. Don't delay ditching the plastic bottles completely. If you like our video so far, press the like button to let us know, and please subscribe to our channel to be updated with our new healthy lifestyle videos. Switch from plastic bags. Another item to forget about is the plastic bag. These also end up in landfills and pollute the oceans. It is not a difficult switch to make. Cloth bags make for a more durable option. Bring a few of them when you go to the store, and don't take plastic bags from the cashier on your way out. And if you end up with a few plastic bags around, don't just toss them when you use them once. You can do so time and time again. Pay some attention to your local farmers market. Even produce comes in plastic wrapping in supermarkets. Instead, you should shop from local producers and make your farmers market your new go-to shopping choice. Not only does it support your local community, but it also means that you are not spending resources to shop from hypermarkets. Grab a bamboo toothbrush. Instead of sending a plastic toothbrush to the landfill every few months, you can switch to one made from bamboo. It does the job just as fine, if not better. Compost at home. This is an important step, since it allows you to reuse what you would normally throw away. Food scraps and other organic matter can easily turn into useful material for your backyard garden. All of these tips work to help you achieve a zero-waste life. Use them all to get on the eco-friendly side now. Watch our other healthy lifestyle videos below and find out 6 reasons to adopt the green cleaning idea today. Feel free to share our videos with other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. Visit our website healthylifeside.com for more ideas. Also, we would like to invite you to join our online seminars to learn more about health and wellness. Choose your date in the description below. Until next time, and remember, a healthy life is a happy life.